Okay, today is Sunday and you know what I mean. 100% chance ng video came out on Spawn quoted by Jupiter Sinata. Ha 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 ha. Papakita ang girls naman na sa protection ng back house. What the fuck? Look, there's a chance na ma-pull up Lino and there's no video. Kimawaton. Look, 10 to 11 a.m. Girls never next to 11 to 12 noon singing non-dig. 12 to 1 p.m. back house. So there's no chance of spawning video Kimawaton from 10 to 1 p.m. Full. What the fuck is full? Nano ito. Naglagpas. Wait, if there's a new schedule about the back house video, Kimawaton doon siya. Like I said, I didn't count on for Lino Banner Play Store. Today, 12 noon AM pa lang in it. Oh yeah, so much for that one. My views have reached a lot of views on it. Ha 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 ha. But it's not the YouTube short that I wanted. What the ha 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 ha. So it's either that one on my live stream, no video came out on, or just the video came out on with my live stream and total. Uy, gago. If YouTube doesn't preview my 3-minute video, I am once again going to kill. Look, YouTube is having really fun with my own channel, but when I'm going to see my video for 3 minutes, once again, YouTube doesn't preview my 3-minute video. Why? 1. Flickering to black screen. 2. Laggy camera. 3. YouTube doesn't preview my video. So once again, I am about to kill you once and for all YouTube. Ha 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 ha. Since when back on aso, back na na aso sa chance na ma-video kung mauton spawn ba Jupiter sa nata. Ha 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 ha. Pag 11 or 1 hour na lagi, pag 15 minutes left, I will do 30 minutes and then I will to do the Lino some pipi. Yes, today is August 9, 100% chance sa video came out on Spawn, Lino Banner Phase 2, and Coco Martin and Junior Montes will come here in Calbayog City. Yeah, how about that? There's also Paul, the comedian. So yeah, mga kapamilya, going here in Calbayog. Yes, during the Tandaya Festival, Will Coco Martin and Junior Montes, Handog Saya. Yeah, and also, this is the last video came out on weekends that I ever seen in my life. If JB doesn't want to summons all 6, I will be here until tomorrow's classes and that's it. YouTube will not preview my video once again.